Hi there, I'm Michael, and I would like to show you a new dance called Money for Nothing to that fabulous song by the Straits. This dance is written by Marc Mitchell. I believe he's a Canadian fellow. And thanks Marc, it's a very nice dance. This dance has 32 counts, 4 balls, a tag, a finish, an intro, everything we need, but a lot of fun. Let's start with the steps. Section 1. You start with the right foot. Step forward on your right, hold. Step side on your left, hold. Behind, side, cross stroke, recover. Section 2. Do a quarter turn to the right, step forward on your right, step forward on your left, followed by an anchor step. Back on your left, hold. Stepping on your right, on the quarter turn right, and hold again. Section 3. We step back on the left and do a toe fan at the same time with the right, like toe fan on the right, hold for 2. The same we do with the right foot, going back on the right and a toe fan on the left. Back on the right, toe fan on the left, and hold for 4. Again on the left side, back and hold, and at least an anchor step. Section 4, the last section. Step left to left side, step right together, do a quarter turn to the left, stepping forward on the left, do another half turn, stepping back on your right, step forward on your left, another half turn, stepping back on your right, followed by an anchor step. That's the whole dance. Let's put the steps together as it comes. 7, 8. 1, hold, 3, hold, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold, 7, hold. 1, hold, 3, hold, 5, hold, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's go on with the tag. The tag is an 8-count tag called points and heels. Like you raise on the left, point right, toe out, step together, left, step together, right, step together, one left, step together. Followed by heel, forward, together, heel, forward, together again, right, together, left, together. With the counts, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. At the end, you raise on the left and you can start over with the right foot with step forward, hold, side, hold, and so on. The last round, the finish, last round. Oh, by the way, this tag happens 3 times. After wall 3, wall 5 and wall 8. Wall 12, the last round, starts at wall 12, facing 9 o'clock. We dance the first 22 counts, line. Step, hold, side, hold, behind, side, cross, rock, recover. Turn, step, anchor, step, back, hold, turn, side, hold, back, hold, back, hold, back, hold. And now we change the next steps into back, quarter turn to the left, stepping forward on the left, step forward on the right, tap on the corner of your head, greet the band, greet the singers, clap your hands for the great job they have done for us. We are not finished because before we start the dance, we can dance an intro to that long intro by the music. This intro has 48 counts and it starts with the left foot for the first 16 counts, then we do the same on the right foot for the next 16 counts, and the last 16 counts is the same like the first 16 counts. Complicated? No, easy. You raise on the with a step, lock, step, hold, and a step, lock, step, hold, rock, pick up, back, hold, back, hold, back, hold. The same on the right. Step, lock, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, rock, pick up, back, hold, back, hold, back, hold. And for the last 16 counts, on the left again. 1, 2, 3, hold, 5, 6, 7, hold, 1, 2, 3, hold, 5, hold, 7, hold. At the end, your leg is on the left, and we can start the dance. You're stepping forward on the right, hold, side, hold, behind, and so on. I hope you will have some fun with this dance. We enjoy, and again, thanks to Marc for that nice dance to that beautiful piece of music. Thanks for watching, have fun, take care, see you on the floor somewhere, sometimes. Bye bye.